Hi guys, my name is Amanda Haynes and I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the MELLO group in a 55 and up gated community in Winter Garden. This home is actually on a 65-foot lot, or this floor plan comes on that size of lot, which is great. You have 2 to 3 bedrooms and it is 1 story. I'll flip the camera around and give you a tour. As you can see, this is a very well cared for community with beautiful fountains at the front of your gated entrance. There's going to be a lot of amenities to choose from, and the expected completion date of those is spring of 2024. You have 13 different floor plans, and the base price of this home starts at $657,990. It's 1 story. You have 2 to 3 bedrooms, and there's a flex room as well. We step into the foyer, and to my left at the front of the home, you have a flex space, great for an office. You can have anywhere from 2,269 square feet to 2,325. A nice coat closet here in the hall, and then we come into your half bath. In the kitchen, you have quartz countertops, Whirlpool appliances, your wine fridge. This is a gas community. I know a lot of people love that. Over here you have your pantry space, just across from your garage and drop zone area. You can have up to a 3-car garage. There's plenty of room for all your stuff. A walk-in pantry and laundry room. Love that it has a window letting natural light come in. You'll see there's a lot of recessed lighting, large sliding glass doors, space to put your dining table where you can sit 6 to 8 people easily. This is our first bedroom. You have a beautiful view of the backyard, your closet space, a second bedroom. Looks like it's been decorated. Maybe some grandkids can come and stay for a weekend or two. A full-size bathroom dividing the bedrooms, and a linen closet. You can entertain friends and family in your gathering room. There's 196 homes in this community. You have many different activities, including an arts and crafts room. There's tennis and pickleball. We'll step outside to the covered lanai where they've added a pool. You have the fountains going, very relaxing. An outdoor kitchen and a sunken in space over here where you might want to have some cocktails by the pool. Enjoy the weekend. This is a beautiful 55 up gated community. You have many different floor plans to choose from, many amenities coming very soon. And then last but not least, I'll take you into the primary bedroom suite over here at the back of the home. The bathroom is just here behind me where you have your double vanity. big walk-in shower with the window up above. Doing my best to dodge this mirror here, and there's a linen closet. Plenty of space for hanging your clothes. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call or send me a text. My name is Amanda Haynes. Thank you for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon so that I can help you and your family find a home. Bye-bye.